As students and staff return to in-person learning in our school buildings, we need everyone to work together to help maintain a healthy school environment. We have set up new systems and behaviors to reduce the spread of COVID-19 and support the health of our students, our staff, and our whole community. These are some of the changes we'll have in place and some of the things you'll need to know when the time comes for your student to return to a school building. Before leaving home to come to school, check for symptoms. Does anyone have a fever of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, chills, a cough, shortness of breath, a loss of taste or smell, or other symptoms that are not related to a known condition? If a student or family member has any of these symptoms, do not come to school. Staying home when you or a family member are sick is one of the most important things we can do to prevent the spread of this disease. Prior to entering the school building, everyone must verify whether they are experiencing any COVID symptoms. This is called a daily attestation. At the school entrance, everyone will have their temperature taken using an infrared thermometer. Any student or staff member with a temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or higher will be sent home. Everyone must wear a face covering that covers the nose and reaches down below the chin. If your student is unable to wear a face covering for any reason, please talk to your school. Physical distancing is an important way to keep a healthy school environment. We will have fewer students than usual in school, which allows more space in classrooms and halls. Everyone should stay at least 6 feet apart whenever possible, including when standing in line, when at recess, in the cafeteria, and anywhere else. At recess, elementary students are placed in separate small groups with others from their class and instructed to maintain physical distance as they play. Washing or sanitizing hands is a big part of the school day. Students and staff are taught to wash for at least 20 seconds using soap and water, or to use hand sanitizer when soap and water aren't available. We will wash hands or use hand sanitizer after putting on or adjusting face coverings, after entering the classroom, before eating, and at other points throughout the day. Our custodial staff clean and disinfect all surfaces regularly using a solution that kills viruses and other germs. Surfaces that are frequently touched are cleaned multiple times throughout the day. If a student starts to experience any symptoms of COVID-19 while at school, they will be kept away from other students and their parents will be called to pick them up. Students may then need to remain quarantined at home for a period of time before returning to school, based on symptoms, COVID test results, and whether they have had close contact with people who have the virus. See the video description for a link to a flowchart from Public Health of Seattle-King County that describes when students can come back to school and when they need to quarantine. Please talk to your children about these important measures. Help them visualize what 6 feet of distance looks like. Practice wearing face coverings and washing hands for at least 20 seconds. And help them understand how important it is that we all work together to contribute to the health of our community. Thank you.